Qualityze, the innovation leader in the world of quality. Are you tired of manually filing non-conformances? And what about reoccurrences of the same or similar problems? How many documents do you need to search and review to determine the root cause? Doesn't that sound insane? This is probably one of your biggest challenges. Qualityze Nonconformance Management solution can help you stop the insanity in a jiffy. Qualityze helps establish industry best practice quality processes to manage non-conforming products, processes, materials, components, and equipment, while reducing your overhead expenses through avoiding product rework and recalls. Qualityze follows an industry-proven 5-step process to manage nonconformances with our next-generation, intuitive, and easy-to-use workflows. Identify and document the issue. Evaluate, conduct risk assessment, and direct next steps. Containment of the non-conforming materials. Disposition of the non-conforming materials. Investigate non-conforming material and implement action plan. Qualityze Nonconformance Management's highly configurable interface enables you to control the user interface through adding, hiding, or relabeling field names and extending workflow tasks to meet your unique business requirements. Built on Salesforce.com, Qualityze ensures you have the security, performance, reliability, stability, and scalability expected of an enterprise application. This ensures your teams can address nonconformance issues from anywhere in the world 24 hours a day. You do not have to worry about your data infrastructure on your currently overworked IT support staff. In addition, your license subscription fee includes all application updates, standard technical and product support, product documentation, end user and administration guides, validation scripts, audit trail, and electronic signature capability. There are no ongoing maintenance costs. Qualityze enables you to comply with industry-specific standards, such as ISO 9001-2015, ISO 13485, 21 CFR Part 11, 21 CFR Part 820, AS 9100, and IATF 16949, which means you can continuously reinforce the use of these industry best practices in your organization. Are you ready to simplify your non-conformance processes? Get the Qualityze Nonconformance system, and you are ready to go. You are a click away from experiencing Qualityze quality management. Just click on the Request Demo button. For more information, you can call us at 1-877-207-8616 or email at info@qualityze.com, and our customer success team will be right there for you. Through Qualityze, transform your QMS into a quality decision-making engine. Qualityze, the innovation leader in the world of quality.